Hello students, today we'll learn how to use neither nor to join two negative sentences and about its subject and verb agreement as well. Neither nor or neither nor. It is correlative conjunction that connects two or more negative alternatives. It is used when the choice is negative or when we talk about two things that do not happen. Look at both these given sentences. The teacher was not in the classroom. The students were not in the classroom. Students notice that both of these sentences are negative. So to join these sentences, we'll use the conjunction neither nor. We'll add neither nor before these two subjects as starting with neither the teacher nor the students were in the classroom. So not is replaced by neither nor. The conjunction neither nor is used to connect the same kind of words or phrases in a sentence. They can be nouns, verbs, adjectives, phrases, clauses, etc. Let's see the given examples. Neither noun nor noun. Students, we will use this structure to join the following sentences. She does not have a pen, full stop. He does not have a pen, full stop. In these sentences, subjects are different and the remaining sentences are the same. So add neither she, that is one subject, nor he, second subject, and after writing this structure, add rest of the sentence, that is has a pen, full stop. We used has because verb should agree to the nearest subject, that is he. He is singular, so the singular verb has is written. Next example, I do not like apples, I do not like bananas. In these sentences, apples and bananas, both these nouns are different. But subject is same, that is I. So the structure will be I, then the verb like. So removing do not, we will use neither apples, one noun, nor bananas, second noun. So sentence will be I like neither apples nor bananas. Now come to this next structure, neither verb nor verb. First example, my brother did not play, full stop, my brother did not study, full stop. In both these negative sentences, subject my brother is same and verbs play and study, these are different. So the structure will be my brother neither played, one verb, nor studied, second verb. Students, we used neither nor instead of did not. And as this is simple past tense, verbs changed into played and studied. Next example, they are not singing, they are not dancing. Again, verbs are different, singing and dancing. So the structure will be neither singing nor dancing. Complete sentence, they are neither singing nor dancing. Next is neither adjective nor adjective. See the example, he is not strong, he is not healthy. Both these adjectives, strong and healthy, are different. We'll put neither immediately before strong and nor before healthy. And then complete sentence will be he is neither strong nor healthy. Next, neither phrase nor phrase. See the example, he did not play in the morning, he did not play in the evening. Both these phrases are different, in the morning, in the evening. So we will put neither before in the morning and nor before in the evening. So the sentence will be he played neither in the morning nor in the evening. Actually, this is simple past tense. Play is changed into played and did not is replaced by neither nor. Next structure is neither clauses nor clauses. He is not going to a party. He is not studying at home. So these clauses, going to a party, studying at home, both these clauses are different. We will place neither before one clause and nor before second clause. Structure will be, he is neither going to a party nor studying at home. Full stop. Students, this subject verb agreement is very important concept to learn while using correlative conjunction neither nor. Note this point that the subject that is nearest to the verb agree with each other. Look at the following examples. Neither Anil nor his friends are going for picnic. Here are, this is plural verb because the nearest subject is friends. With friends, this is plural subject. Are is used. Next example, neither Anil nor his friend. Here friend is singular. That's why is. This is singular verb. This is used here. Going for picnic. Next, neither the teachers nor the students. Both the subjects are plural, so plural verb are is used. Then, neither the principal nor the teachers. Again, are is used with the teachers because this is the nearest subject. Neither the principal nor the teachers are coming for the meeting. Students, we can begin the sentence with neither also, even if the subject is same. See the following examples. She was not calm, full stop. She was not patient, full stop. The structure will be neither, then verb, was, then subject, she. Then we will write calm, this is one adjective, nor patient, that is second adjective. So the structure will be neither was she calm nor patient. Usually we write she was neither calm nor patient. Next example, they did not go to the mall, they did not go to the party. We will join both these negative sentences. Neither did, that is verb, then they, that is subject. Neither did they go to the mall nor to the party. Usually we write they went neither to the mall nor to the party. Full stop. So both these ways are correct to combine two negative sentences by the use of correlative conjunction neither nor. Next concept is the use of neither of or neither. While using these pronouns, we take singular form of verb. For instance, neither of my friends is going for picnic. It means out of my two friends, no one is going for picnic. And if we say neither friend is going for picnic, it means the same. Next example, neither of the customers is satisfied. Means out of two customers, no one is satisfied. Neither customer is satisfied. This also has the same meaning. So we use singular verb with neither of or neither. So students, I hope you understood each and every concept of today's lesson. Please subscribe and like the video if you find it helpful. And for any query, write in the comment box. Thanks for watching and bye for now.